There's a point where the noise of life becomes too loud. Deadlines, screens, expectations. We start to forget what peace sounds like. So I escape, out where the road ends and the wild begins. With each push of the throttle pulls me farther from the weight of the world and closer to something real.
Oh, it's a beautiful day. And it's a work week. But Brian and I were not working. We're going riding.
I'm so proud of Brian. He's been miserable at his job for the better part of a year. And after searching and searching, he's finally found a great opportunity. He told his old boss to fuck off. So I decided to book a vacation day to join him on today's ride. And I'm glad I did.
Well, this hole here looks really greasy, but here's the thing. It's early in the day. I don't want to get soaked, but I'm going to go through it, but I'm not going to send it because I don't want to get wet just yet. We'll save that for the end of the day. I think we all kind of knew that was going to happen. Guess we're getting muddy today.
I don't know why we do this to ourselves. We go out with the intention to have a nice casual trail ride, and almost immediately we're covered in mud, which is exactly what we said we wouldn't do today.
Okay, I'm tired, I'm probably muddy. That was the fight of our lives. We just got out. But here's the deal. These are our options right now. We have that trail, which sounds kind of fun. Or, alternatively, we have this trail. That's where we're going. Whew. We've been having everything but an easy day, which is what the plan was when we left the house this morning. So my jacket's fucking soaked. I got it drying, as long as it doesn't catch on fire. Brian just remembered he had a wood saw, which is super helpful.
It started a fire.
I wrote this beautiful lake. Oh yeah, and we couldn't start a fire, and I found lip balm in my bag. So it's kind of like petroleum jelly. So survival tip number one: you have chapstick, it lights on fire. But we're at this beautiful lake. It's gorgeous here, man. We got it all to ourselves. Sure beats a day at the office.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within, calling. This heavy load got under your skin, hauling. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for a collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors. Round.
It's amazing what a little fire can do. Warm your soul, dry your clothes, and cook your food. And sometimes give you just enough energy to continue on, which is exactly what we did as we made our way out of the trail and back towards our truck. If you enjoyed this video and you're still watching, please give us a thumbs up, and if it's not too much to ask, consider subscribing, and we'll catch you on the next adventure.